Okay, we got the drive-along video of the 1955 Ford box truck. So as soon as you turn the key, the electronics turn on, including the air conditioner blower, but I'll turn it off before we start the car so you guys can hear it properly. So you turn the key fully. That 454 engine fires right up. It sounds really healthy. It's got a great idle to it. Let me turn on the AC because it's nice and warm outside today in Austin. So all the gauges properly light up and function. Water temperature, oil pressure is nice, right mid-range. We got some fuel, and the voltmeter works. So all those odometer modern gauges work properly. It's got a radio which properly works. And then it's got a backup camera as well. So a lot of modern creature comforts. Parking brake, we showed how it worked on the walk around. It's got a tilt steering wheel. Wipers properly work. You got your lights, electric hood opener, and your signals left and right properly work. So as you can see, engine fires right up and it's got a very healthy idle to it. Power windows as well. Transmission is the 4-speed automatic transmission, which engages right away. So it's got a very good modern feel to it. The steering wheel is nice and tight, in the sense that it's responsive when you turn. The brakes are very adequate for the size of the truck, and acceleration seems to be very proper, and certainly this 454 helps this big truck move along. Track's nice and straight. It's a very comfortable drive. Build was professionally put together, as all the elements properly work and deliver a easy and reliable drive to a classic look of a 50s truck with a very utilitarian cargo box in the rear, which makes it a very unique group of components for a car that can be used for marketing purposes or simply just a very cool 50s truck to be shown and enjoyed. About 3,400 miles on the odometer, and that's believed to be since the truck was built, reported in 2017. There's been a couple of questions if the truck will do a drive long distance distance to either Florida or Tennessee or Colorado. It's been asked. As you can tell, it's hard to predict any vehicle on long trips, but it's certainly one that I will have no problem jumping into it and taking a long drive, as it is very responsive and it shows to be very reliable. So we'll upload these videos, and if you have any other comments or concerns, let us know in the comment section or contact seller at the top of the listing.